Thank you. That's the passion, you know. That's the passion. That's the passion of this job. That's the passion of this job. That's the passion of this job, you know. That's the passion. Mama, you have passion in this job. Back to back.
I don't do cuts before.
Ebudi, what do you have to say? Is this not passion?
Yeah. It is.
It is what it is. Alaba, what do you have to say?
That is the passion.
It is what it is. Remy, what do you have to say? Is this passion?
Nah, passion no carry.
Oh, Jim.
Evil passion. The passion of Christ on high by the
What? It is passion, you know. One time, you know. One man down. This is one woman down, you know.
Every chair. Hey, should I tell you? You will have your neck of that problem now. But totally can only motor. When you're not already, any can come in motor.
Morning. Did you sleep well?
I did not.
Why?
I don't know. I was worried about you, your well-being. That's a knock off my biko.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh,
yeah. I don't like bringing you out to suffer. Because you mosquito tag. I can't forget a beautiful bride. Yeah, one way my brother. Her husband murdered my mother.
You know?
Yeah.
Murdered! Murdered!
On my and I knew I pay my wife for her go. On one day my wife now. Coincidentally.
This is my
in-law. In-law.
Okay, this is my
your brother-in-law.
This is my brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law. And she is my step-sister. Let me just shock you people. I went to the wedding. Who's here by when you want to say? Hey, Oga, you go. I'm not so go could be the relation. I call was the power and Ogo Mukem Koja. I'm going to say, hey, the good man. I never knew where I went to. So since I was in Roya, them comforter because it's a hang about now. Welcome, my darling.
Thank you.
Welcome. So we are on this beautiful set. Duka Duka.
I'm doing a very good one. Get ready to laugh.
Get ready to laugh. If you've not been laughing,
laugh away your problems.
You will laugh it away. Or you can apple.
Yeah, you will have a copy.
Copy outside. All right, welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
you. Need maternity gown.
As usual.
Oh, yeah, man.
And then, as I done the word one.
Sir, how are you? Welcome. Yeah, this is our director too. He directed the last burial. What have you been doing last?
Last burial.
That's the title of the movie. So he came out. He's walking around and he's also working with us. Expect Duka Duka. Duka Duka. Yeah, this time around. I ain't gonna call Duka Duka.